G'day once again, welcome back everyone, great to be with you once again, and we're going to go through and show you earn.com and the next task. For those who haven't been following, I'm just sharing my experience doing tasks, and from completing those tasks I will get a little bit of Bitcoin from each task. So just to show you step by step, we'll show you on my platform. Okay, so the next task is a company, an ICO, initial coin offering from Loki. And trade and communicate with absolute freedom. Get your free Lock tokens now. Okay, and as you can see, I've got 5 days to complete this task, and I also get the emails sent to me. So usually I capture up the dates when there's new tasks available by email, but you can always log into the platform to see if there's new tasks. So anyway, guys, we'll just go ahead and earn this $1 to whatever is compared to Bitcoin. At the time, it's March 7th, 2018. Okay, so basically got an introduction to Loki, and Loki is an offering the opportunity to participate in airdrop to select earn.com users. Now, those who don't know what an airdrop is, basically it's a way that an ICO or a firm wants to be able to give out and distribute some free coin in return to becoming a member of their community. So first of all, 10,000 users reply can earn up to 50 tokens, roughly equivalent to about $35, they're saying, for the pre-sale prices. By completing the following tasks, you are joining Loki Telegram group, and we'll show you through that steps very soon, and tokens will be airdropped prior to April the 1st, 2018. It requires you to join their Telegram channel, where the airdrop bot will be released to take details and distribute tokens. So that's what they're requesting, guys. A little bit about this ICO platform Loki. It's Bitcoin promised privacy, but what it delivered was traceability than ever. Loki offers completely decentralized private transaction network, which will reward users to run nodes and process data. Loki Messenger uses the decentralized nature of blockchain technology and a layer of service nodes to route the information that creates a high resistance to censorship attack. The cryptographic encryption of the system keeps the information away from prying eyes of others. Software can't be destroyed, and widely disrupt the system can be shut down. Empower yourself with unstoppable private communication. And here you can go to their website and get more details, and also download the white paper. Basically, a white paper is a business plan, blueprint, and a visionary plan all in one. Some are more detailed than others. Also down here it says, please note that the token airdrop is contingent upon the successful token generation events. Okay, so next we'll go ahead and press start. So we've got to complete this task, the registration to joining the Telegram. You note that you must be in our Telegram group by March the 12th, 2018, in order for the details of the airdrop registration in the Telegram chat. Okay, so these are the things that you need to do to complete the task and to qualify for, in this case, airdrop tokens. And of course, you're going to get $1 worth of Bitcoin to whatever value it is at the time of doing your task. So now we go ahead, and I highly recommend that you either download Telegram. You can use it through a browser, but I recommend downloading Telegram onto your PC. And now we're going to open, and we're going to hit join. So now we've joined their community here on Telegram. We'll close that window down and come back. And the next thing that we're going to do, confirm that your registration. So we need to put our username. I highly recommend using a username that people will get to know you, like and love and trust you. But of course, that's entirely up to you, what you decide to use. And then we're going to join the mailing list, the latest of the Loki, and notified when the airdrop starts. So we'll join using the earn.com email. Okay, it's done, guys. That task is completed. And there you can see that I got a little bit more Bitcoin there. So at the time of me doing this recording on the 7th of March 2018, the price of Bitcoin, I got in the amount of 0.0043 Bitcoin. The price was in US dollars, $45.90. But of course, as Bitcoin rises up, yes, it would be a great thing, and I'm sure you know about it. Down in the affiliate links, I'll put my affiliate link so you can go ahead and connect and join with me in this revolutionary Bitcoin crypto world, and together understand, get a bit more educated, and learn in the process by completing tasks that will no longer take you more than 5 minutes, usually less time. As you can see that we've done that task, I was showing you and explaining a few things, and hopefully that's helpful. I'd love to see you here at earn.com. It's a great way to get educated about blockchain a little bit, ICOs, and also the cryptocurrencies that are out there. So thanks, guys. Appreciate you being here on another step-by-step sharing you how we are doing it. Thanks.